All right, quick story. Last year, I had zero idea what to sell online. No products, no shop, no clue. But now, I just crossed $3,200 in sales last month, selling digital files I made on Canva. No shipping, no inventory, and no customer calls. And if I can figure it out, you definitely can too. So let me tell you exactly how I got started selling digital products on Etsy. I'm not a designer, I don't have a business degree, and I literally had like $0 to invest in the beginning. What I did have was time, curiosity, and a laptop. It all started when I bought this budgeting printable from Etsy for like $3. It was just a simple PDF. And I remember thinking, wait, someone made this once and keeps making money from it? That's genius. So I started digging. I found people making monthly planners, resume templates, wedding invitations, even wall art. Just digital files that people download after buying. No shipping, no inventory, and no customer calls. And I was like, okay, I have to try this. I signed up for Etsy. It's free to create an account. You just pay like 20 cents to list an item. And then I jumped into Canva. Canva is honestly the GOAT. I used the free version, and it has everything. Templates, fonts, graphics. I made my first product in about 2 hours. It was a weekly planner with the clean, minimalist vibe. I uploaded it to Etsy, created a simple cover image using Canva again, and wrote a short description. I didn't overthink it. I priced it at $3.50, hit publish, and nothing happened for like 2 weeks. But then randomly, I got my first sale, and I legit thought it was a mistake. Someone from Colorado bought it. That moment was wild. After that, I started testing. I made different versions of planners, fitness, meals, student planners. I watched what was trending. Etsy search is all about keywords, so I started typing my product titles like someone would search for them. Like instead of saying custom daily tracker, I wrote printable daily planner PDF for productivity. I also used this free tool called EverBee to spy what's selling on Etsy. You install it on Chrome, and it shows you the estimated sales of any product. It's kind of addictive, honestly. Now I've got about 30 products up. Some do okay, some are flops, and a few consistently make sales every week. My bestseller? A simple budgeting bundle I created in a weekend using Canva. That one has brought in over $1,200 alone. I still don't do any customer support unless someone asks for a different size or something. Etsy sends the files automatically. It's like the chillest business model ever. And no, it's not get rich quick, but if you're consistent and keep creating based on what people are searching for, it adds up. Like I said, I crossed $3,200 last month, and that's mostly passive now. If you're watching this and you've been thinking of starting something online but don't know where to start, try digital products on Etsy. Use Canva, use EverBee. Start simple. Your first product won't be perfect, but it doesn't need to be. If I can do it with zero background and no money, so can you.